wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty.
So I am super excited to say that I have finally launched the first tool of my small business resources. If you're a small business, hand making candles, lip balms, cosmetics, skincare, hair products, anything, all of the suppliers that I use are listed in this book, my supplier handbook. I list over 120 different suppliers, whether you've been in business for 5 years, whether you're just starting out, you don't have to waste time researching and doing all the research that I did in the beginning for months by myself, trying to find out where to get wholesale supplies. Everything is in this book and it's available to you guys now. I'm linking it down below in the description box. What I would have done just starting out my business, having a book like this, it would have made things a lot easier. So my supplier book is 20 pages of suppliers all across the US and a few international. I've saved you the time and the peace of mind, and anything and everything you need for your business at all stages of your career, it's gonna be available in this book. I'm linking everything below. Trust me, there is something for everyone within this book, and I have so much more along the way. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I am home getting through some wholesale orders. You just saw a clip of an overhead shot and I'm so excited that I got my little thing here. That's working out pretty dope. That's the way I have it. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, so check that out if you're interested in things like that. So it's been officially 2 weeks since I launched my wholesale supplier handbook, and I'm so freaking excited that you guys are just loving it. So many of you are hitting me up, letting me know that you're launching in a couple weeks, you're still in the testing phases, and how this is really coming in clutch. So I'm so excited about that. I set up myself with a goal at the end of the month that I'm hoping to hit. I think that I can because I'm like halfway there. So I don't want to talk about it yet out loud because we're gonna make it. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the goal. I'm gonna exceed the goal. So it's gonna be dope. But I have a lot of things already in the works. I'm looking at my list down here. I have, should I talk about it? Should I not talk about it? Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it. So I have a candle business startup guide that I'm working on. It's kind of like your checklist of all the things that you need to do and make sure that you have before you get started in your business. I'm gonna launch that. I'm also working on a small business budget template. I actually use a budget chart myself for my own products to make sure my COGS are healthy and they're on point to what I'm selling my retail and my wholesale prices for. I'm gonna be launching that, but within it, it's gonna be really dope because I'm actually adding a bunch of other things that I wish I would have had when I was starting. It's gonna allow you guys to track your startup costs and a whole bunch of other things. Like you're gonna be able to plop in numbers and it's gonna give you your retail number, your wholesale prices, and your private label numbers. It's gonna automate all of that for you. So I'm working on formulas and things like that. And I'm also working on a wholesale catalog for you guys because some of you guys have reached out asking that you need help with like wholesale line sheets. So I used to have a wholesale catalog that I used and I would email it out to boutiques that were interested before I got on Faire, which is a wholesale platform. And also they have like digital wholesale sheets that you can do online and integrate it with your websites. But a lot of you may not have websites yet, or you're starting off on Etsy and Etsy might not allow that integration, or maybe you're just old fashioned and you want an actual wholesale catalog that you can email or print out on like really pretty paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and create that. I've been working on it. It's gonna be on Canva, so all you have to do is just download it and you can edit the font, the color, whatever you want, but the skeleton of it is gonna be there. So I'm just working on those couple of things and that's basically it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to find another solution for this because, yeah. So when I'm working from home and it's just me and her, and I don't have a babysitter to watch her, I obviously can't put the gate up here because then she starts crying. So she has to be with me. So which means, you know, the gate is open and she has the freedom to walk in and out of my studio, and this is what she does. Don't worry, I don't let her touch it too much, but I'm thinking about changing these tables, however much I love them, into cabinets with doors. And I even looked into to see whether or not if IKEA, because these tables are from IKEA, if they offer doors that I can install, because there are screws on the side. So I thought I could maybe buy doors and install it like that to just save me on some costs, but they don't. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to sell these and then maybe buy new ones. I don't know if you can hear me. Every time I want to record, like there's always a fire truck or an ambulance. I know. Don't they know I'm recording? Yeah, I'm thinking about switching it out. I don't know what I want to do, because our living situation here is only temporary. So if I switch it out to cabinets with doors, I mean, I can still use it wherever we move to. That's what we're doing today. I am shopping online for shoes and and something that I can baby proof. Hi. Alright, so you guys know my little trick that whenever I'm pouring larger quantities of candles, if I have a little bit left in the pouring pitcher, I will always make tea lights out of them. I don't ever throw out the extra wax that I have left over. So that's one way that I get my tea lights done. If I ever need tea lights and I'm not making larger quantities of the big candles, then I'll set a day where I dedicate it fully to making tea lights. And if I ever have leftover wax that it's not enough to make the tea lights, then I just pour it into an empty container. And today we are using coconut water. Yeah, and I totally, look at this girl. Thanks. I really need to find a solution to block this off, because when I'm home by myself, I kind of just let her have free range so we can kind of be together. But this is what she does all day. We're just playing the game of she takes it out, I take it back from her, thank you, and then I put it back. I need to find another solution for this. Okay, we're not playing anymore. Mommy's tired. Yes, so I need to figure out a different way where I can lock this up or close this off when I don't have the baby gate closed. But I need to figure something out that's cost effective, like free, cheap, because I don't want to spend any more money. Because I know, I don't want to spend any more money baby proofing this. Hold on. Like I was saying, I don't want to spend any more money baby proofing this, because I know that when we finally buy a house, I'm gonna have to spend more money, or I'm going to spend more money redoing my official candle studio. So we're manifesting that into the world. But all right, we gotta talk later. This girl's out of control. Bye. Thanks. I'm an idiot. Why didn't I just put the tops on them? I think that'll slow her down from taking it out. I don't think it's really gonna stop her, because she can still open it, but and at least it'll slow her down. But anyway, that's a quick little fix.